All right, guys, here we are, man, with another winter project. I've been having a little bit of issues with the Baja, especially at the end of the season with this thing. So I am going to take this and we're going to turn this into the hybrid Baja. Now, some of you guys don't know what a hybrid Baja is. Hybrid Baja is basically a Baja, front half of the Baja, and rear half Primal. So won't have any suspension. It'll be all straight axle. Still gonna have the 2-speed, still gonna be running the Bartolone engine. But we're gonna yank all this off. So far we got the rear wing here. We're gonna send this and probably the front bumper off to Travis Bateman. And we're gonna get that anodized, probably gold or something to match the color of this. Few items are not going to be reused. This is not going to be reused. The top plate, that's not going to be reused. The brake mount, I believe, can be, but the top plate can't because it's going to be for Primal now. All right. We got some issues going on with the transmission, so we're going to pull that out anyhow to figure out what's going on with that because I got a binding issue that happened in the last race. That was the main reason why this thing really didn't go good on the last race out in Philly, but still had fun. I'm going to try to reuse this wheelie bar. I'll probably have to make a mount for it, but you know, like I said, we're going to keep this Bartolone on here. It's been running well, all right. And top plate, I don't know, don't know yet how I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep this or something, go a different route, but I'm gonna try and reuse this. So and I believe all this in the front, like I said, should bolt up with no issues. But front suspension is going to stay the same. Well, front suspension lack of will stay the same. Gearing, like I said, might change because it's going to be a little bit different. But top arms going away. Hubs are going away. These, I believe, are going away. I'm going to have to get the clamp-on types for what I'm planning on doing. Lower arms are going away. Hinge pins, just rear baskets all going away. It's all going to be a rear Primal rear end, basically. So, like I said, I've already got the wing pulled off, and it's time to start stripping this thing down. Alright, so here we got everything all stripped down. We got transmission out. We're gonna find out what's going on with that. I'll show you what's going on, you know, what the issue is with that in a second. But we got the engine out. We have the chassis has a bit of an issue here. It's actually broke through. Right here, this piece right here actually broke. So this is the DexRC Lightened stock length chassis. I'm not even sure they even make these things anymore. I've tried looking up DexRC Racing, all that. I cannot find a link anymore now. I'm thinking that maybe since he has gone with Tail RC and Detroit Performance that he no longer has a website. But so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. We'll see. I got something for it that we might use instead. Still thinking about it. Really, I'm still thinking about it because the DexRC version only comes in raw aluminum. I actually had to get this one powder coated, if you remember, guys. So here's the transmission. See if I can get this thing to try and turn for us, so you can see how it's real choppy. I can't even get it to turn. There it is. So turn a little bit. Then right about here it gets real tight. So Next video I think we're gonna have will be going into this and figuring out exactly what is wrong. Anybody want to take any guesses? I am going to say the middle gear. Now this is all black bone in here along with a diff. But I'm gonna guess and say the middle gear here has some teeth damage or something like that. That's my guess anyhow. But like I said, we're gonna come back on the next video. We'll be ripping this open, figuring out what's going on with this, rebuilding this. You know, I ordered the parts and all that good stuff. We'll be rebuilding this if need be, or if it's just something simple inside here, we'll be fixing that. But we're gonna be tearing this apart, tearing this diff apart. Really, I think I don't know, we'll talk about this when we get to the video though. Chassis, we'll figure out what we're gonna do with that. Y'all let me know what you think. What should I get? What, you know, should I try and get this fixed? Should I try and get another one? Should I, you know, use, I don't know, Scorpion Lighten chassis? Or, I don't know, Uber RC chassis. Y'all let me know, man. But this thing really is light though. So I'm kind of upset that it is damaged, but we'll get it right. All right, so we gotta, I'll see you in the next video. All right, man. Out.